Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. On my right hand, I'm going to introduce the newest products today. So this is for the breedings for chicken or any seafood. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. This unit's entire length is about like a 39.5 inches wide. And the overall depths, they are about like a 27.5 inches deep. And the overall height of the units, they are about like a 36.5 inches tall. So as we can see, they do have a two split sections right here. So we can take a look closer to see the dimensions of it. As we can see, the unit is coming with the two split sections. And this one, they give you one basket. And let me give you the dimensions. For this pot, the container's space will be 21.5 inches wide and 20.5 inches long, and depth about almost about like 7 inches. For the basket, it's about like a 13 and 3/4 inches wide and 9 and 3/4 inches deep, and the overall height is about like a 4.5 inches tall. So we're having the seasoning top. We can see they have another sections. You can put all the seasoning on top right here to prep all the flavors. And also we have another section on the side. This one you can put like some seafood inside to breed them into. And the diameters is about like a 9.5 inches. For the depth, it's about like a 6.5 inches. And for this round basket, the diameters is about like almost about like 8 inches. And the depth about like a 5.5 inches total. For the entire units, they're made in by the all stainless steels. And also we're having the second shelvings at the bottoms. They're made by stainless steels too. So today will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.